Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your EasyShift account, allowing you to complete local tasks and enjoy fast payments. Follow these instructions carefully to get started with EasyShift. Step 1. Download the EasyShift app. The first step is to download the EasyShift app. You can find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for EasyShift and click on the download button to install the app on your mobile device. Step 2. Create an account. Once you have installed the app, open it to begin the registration process. Click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a password. Make sure to use a strong password for security purposes. Step 3. Confirm your email. After signing up, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from EasyShift. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Complete your profile. Log into your EasyShift account. You will be prompted to complete your profile by adding personal information such as your name, address, and payment details. Make sure that all information is accurate so you can receive tasks in your area and get paid without issues. Step 5. Set your preferences. Next, go to the settings section of your profile. Here, you can set your task preferences, like the types of shifts you're interested in and the hours you are available. This will help EasyShift match you with the most suitable local tasks. Step 6. Browse available shifts. Now that your account is set up, navigate to the Available Shifts section of the app. You will see a list of local tasks in your area. Take your time to read the descriptions and select the shifts you want to take on. Step 7. Accept a shift. Once you find a shift you're interested in, click on it and hit the Accept button. Make sure to review any specific instructions that come with the shift to ensure you complete it successfully. Step 8. Complete the shift. After accepting a shift, follow the instructions and complete the task. Pay attention to detail and make sure to submit any required documentation or photos through the app. Step 9. Get paid. After completing your shift, your payment will be processed according to EasyShift's payment schedule. You can check your earnings in your account section and choose your preferred payment method. Thank you for following our guide to activate your EasyShift account and start completing local tasks for fast payments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.